fans are ready, and so are the players.
That means it's time to drop the puck. Hello, everyone. Jim Houston here, along with Craig Simpson.
The faceoff goes to Tampa.
Passed ahead.
Gostisper gets hold of the puck.
Patrick Kane.
Offside. Detroit finds it. Fires! Husso stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Husso freezes the puck. The faceoff goes. Watson scores!
Well, at least they don't keep track of how you score.
He had a tough time tracking down that shot, and it resulted in a goal.
Rebounds are a goalie's worst enemy, and he got burned on that one.
Detroit is down, and down early.
Defensive breakdowns are going to happen. These guys need to let it go and concentrate on getting back into the game.
And by number 21.
Gostisper scoops up the loose puck. Offside, Detroit. Detroit gets a hold of it. Larkin Cumbert has his pocket pick. Gostisper knocks the puck loose. Detroit got it.
Kane.
Shoots quickly. Vasilevsky turned the shot aside. Blocked. Kane with the puck. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle.
Some great anticipation on that shot.
Jim, it's like he knew the puck carrier was going to pass it off.
Oh, won the faceoff. Quick shot. Blocked. Dumba takes control of the puck with a one-timer. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle.
The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff.
The faceoff goes to the Red Wings. Icing called against Tampa.
They're getting ready for the faceoff.
Up wins the draw. Wallman jumps on the loose puck. Up fires it. Vasilevsky stabs at it.
In over the line.
Sheary has a breakaway. He jumps on the loose puck. Sheary shoots. Husso stoned him. Gostisper grabs the puck.
Out over the blue line.
Hagel. Watson gets the loose puck. Myers. Kane with it now. Point shoves Cumbert. Cumbert gets hold of the puck. Larkin gets shoved. He dumps the puck in. Tampa has it. Hall, big shot from the left. Tampa picked it up.
Hagel out over the blue line. Moved up over the line along the boards.
Watson gets pushed. Stamkos jumps on the loose puck. Sergachev with a wrist shot.
Raymond
Centers it. Up through center. Move back. Sergachev gets shoved. Shoots the puck. Husso gets a pad on it. Quick pass up. Moved up. Wrist shot. Berggren takes control of the puck. Shoots quickly. Brown stops the shot. Wallman with the puck. Vasilevsky denied him. Sheary jumps on the loose puck. Chernoff now has it. The Lightning dump it in. Jabinka gets the pass from Husso. Passed ahead. Rips it. Vasilevsky turned the shot aside. Jabinka takes control of the puck with a wrist shot. Hits the post. Nice with the puck. Vasilevsky stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Hedman gets hold of the puck.
out over the blue line. Moved ahead. Hedman takes control of the puck. Brings it in. Duclair scoops up the loose puck. Larkin. Through center, over the blue line.
Fires hard! Vasilevsky turned the shot away.
Moved up.
Spong, wrist shot.
Hagel gets in the way. Advances the puck. In over the line. Watson takes possession of the puck. Over the line. Center. Over center. Stamkos pushes Dubrinka. Grabs the puck.
Shoots! Vasilevsky gets a pad on it.
Across. Into the attacking zone. Waltman shoves Geno. Geno finds the loose puck.
That'll do it for the first period. As both teams head to the dressing room.
The Red Wings find themselves down by 1.
That's not for lack of trying. They've been shooting enough. It's just not going in.
The score is close as we start the second period.
Let's see if things can open up a bit.
The faceoff goes to the Red Wings. Passed across. Brings it up. Passed ahead. Advances the puck. Larkin. Along the boards. In the corner. Dumba picks up the puck from Vasilevsky. In over the line. Point gets hold of the puck.
Line 3, get up there.
Hagel with a wrist shot. Tempa jumps on it. Myers, he has it now. Watson grabbed it. Husso stoned him cold. Dubinka jumps on the loose puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Brings it in. Cirelli gets muscled off the puck. Delayed penalty coming up. Waltman is going to the box for roughing. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Stamkos won the faceoff. Rasmussen nails Geno. Pass back. Stamkos gets nailed. He blocks the shot. He takes control of the puck. And out they come with the puck. Seider grabs the puck.
Change up.
Seider dumps it. Corralled by Tampa. Out of their defensive end. Wrist shot. Husso turns him away.
What a save off the blocker.
Kucherov gets the loose puck.
Change up!
Geno. Stamkos now with it. Larkin with a wrist shot. Vasilevsky made the pad save. Passed ahead. Over the line. Wrist shot. Husso scores on himself. He may get a little ribbing after the game.
Only if they win, Jim. If they lose, he'll feel bad enough. They need to shake this off right away. Get back out there and go on the offensive.
Cirelli finds the loose puck. Detroit scooped it up.
21.
Ball gets pushed. Quick pass up. Duclair with a wrist shot. Petrie with the puck. Delayed penalty coming up for Tampa. Cirelli takes control of the puck. Duclair gets called for hooking. We're ready for the faceoff. Across. Pass back. Soderblom jumps on the loose puck. Point. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. Gets hold of the puck. Mata. Mata gets the pass from Husso. Petrie. Moved up. Moved ahead. Shoots it quickly. Blocked. Kane with the puck. Petrie. Wrist shot from the right. Vasilevsky made the save.
How about that save? That was unbelievable.
Kane whips the shot. Vasilevsky made the leg save. Larkin. Backhanded shot from the slot. Comfer takes control of the puck. Churda. He gets rocked.
He'll have to shake that one off.
Point. Finds the loose puck. Vasilevsky made the pad save. Gostisper jumps on the loose puck. Comber. Over the blue line. Move back. Larkin gets the shot off. Duclair is back on the ice, meaning we're back to five-a-side hockey. Passed ahead. Hall fires it hard. Advances the puck. Moved up.
Line 3!
Sergachev with the puck.
Line
Hall
2!
grabbed it. Fired it hard. Duclair scores.
Down low wasn't an option, so he sent it high.
Dumba gets the loose puck.
10.
The ref indicates a delayed call against Detroit. Played up, moved ahead. In over the line. Wrist shot, leg save by Husso.
He kept that one out of the cage nicely.
Fabry will serve time for hooking. About to drop the puck. Stamkos wins the draw. Dumba with a wrist shot. He's with the puck.
For hooking.
He holds up. Sider, quick pass up. And out they come with a puck. Detroit dumps the puck in. Stamkos grabbed it. Comber, backhand shot on the right. Vasilevsky closed the door. Hall takes the puck. Sider takes control. Out over the blue line. Up along the boards. Kucherov, wrist shot. He jumps on the loose puck. Blocked. Moved up. Hedman takes control of the puck. The Hahn. Watson fires! Larkin, Tampa, grabs it. That's offside. The puck is about to be dropped. Detroit in control now. Cleared down the ice. Taken by Tampa. The Hahn. Sergachev backhands it. Husso stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Guys, make the change!
Brings it up. Played up. Hedman. Fabry will rejoin the play. He's finished his sentence in the sin bin. Out over the blue line. Comper with the puck. Shoots! Hits the post! Comper. Stamkos. Hedman scooped it up. Geno. Tampa finds it. Husso stoned him cold. Quick pass up. Working along the perimeter. Move back. Pass back. Dumba takes possession of the puck. Hagel
Line 3!
over the line. Petrie brings it up. Moved up. Quick pass up. Soderblom shoots the puck. Duclair. Rasmussen grabbed it. Debrinka grabbed it.
Line 4!
The Hahn gets a hold of it. Sheary. He grabbed it. Husso. Sider. Raymond. One time's it blocked. Gostisper blocked. Sider gets the loose puck. Offside, Detroit. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Tampa scooped it up.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Comber. Over the blue line. Larkin. One-time shot. Vasilevsky gets a pad on it. Gostisper. He gets bumped off the puck. Gets the shot off.
Meet your heroes or dunk your favorite player in the water tank? You can at our upcoming Family Carnival. Tickets are available at the box office.
The third period is about to begin.
The defense needs to tighten up if they want to get back in this battle.
Moved across. Advances the puck. Right in front. Hagel with a wrist shot. Spong jumps on the loose puck. Whips it. Vasilevsky. Spong scores. He left that rebound in the wrong spot, no doubt about it.
Exactly. They lit the lamp as a result.
Lemkos grabs the puck.
Number 17, Daniel.
Tampa has it. Raymond pushes. Cheto. Fabry scoops up the loose puck. Wrist shot. Sergachev stops the shot. He takes control of the puck. Out over the blue line. Centered. Sider with the puck. Big hit.
That hit was all business.
Intercepted in the neutral zone. Into the attacking zone. Played up. Culver gets hold of the puck. Over the line. Dumba jumps on the loose puck. Culver. Tampa puts its third line out. In over the line. Up along the boards. Debrinka. Move back. He's with the puck. Watson. Point gets laid out.
Line 3. That's what you call physical play.
Brings it in with a wrist shot. Vasilevsky gets a leg on it. The Han takes control of the puck. Duclair, wrist shot. Brings it out. Heron. Shoots it. Hall scores. Larkin gets hold of the puck.
By number 3,
Tampa has it now.
assisted by number 57.
Sheary. Knight. Sider gets crushed. He jumps on the loose puck.
Line 2, you're out.
Dumba. Through the neutral zone. Knight dumps the puck in. Detroit picked it up. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Soderblom jumps on the loose puck. He gets pushed. Moved ahead. Delayed call against Detroit. Debrinka will get the gate for hooking. Stamkos won the faceoff. Husso shut the door.
2 minutes.
Advances the puck. Dumba gets the loose puck. Shoved.
Some contact on the play that time.
Across. And out they come with the puck. Jeto. Offside, Tampa. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Detroit. Paul scoops up the loose puck. He has his pocket picked. Ahead to the neutral zone. Along the boards. Sergachev takes control of the puck. Paul. Working along the perimeter. Pass back. Detroit corrals it. Paul cranks it. Husso made the pad save. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Hedman gets the loose puck. Rasmussen has a breakaway. Dumba jumps on the loose puck. And out they come with a puck. Hall takes control of the puck. Rasmussen. Tampa takes control. Vasilevsky has been phenomenal between the pipes.
If they can win this game, he's the reason why.
Sergachev gets shoved.
And that will break up the play.
Hall has been nailed for interference.
It's good to play with an edge, but if you go too far, you'll get the penalty.
Move.
To number 3.
Up along the boards.
Fired it hard from along the boards.
Stamkos. Moved ahead. Along the boards. Caught. Runs over Hedman. Stamkos takes possession of the puck. Larkin is in the clear. Fires it. Vasilevsky denied him. Ahead to the neutral zone. Moved up. Sergachev gets hold of the puck. Larkin. In front. Shoots the puck. Detroit got it. Gostisper. Caught. Now with it. Paul. Brings it in. Point. Husso hangs on for the whistle. The action's about to start. The face-off goes to Tampa.
Cranks one. Husso gets the blocker on it.
Now that was a nice shot, but an even better save.
Husso picks off the puck, and out they come with a puck. Detroit dumps the puck in. Sergachev gets pushed. Quick pass up. Watson with a wrist shot. Sider gets in the way. Watson with the puck. Hall steps back onto the ice, meaning we've returned to 5-on-5 hockey. Rasmussen takes control of the puck. Gostisper corrals it. Blocked. Stamkos jumps on the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Duclair crushes Petrie. Played up. Petrie gets the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Duclair. Wrist shot. Blocked. Hall takes control of the puck. Berggren. He gets shoved.
Lands a nice hit.
Offside, Detroit. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Rasmussen wins the draw. Hall. Moved ahead. Detroit sends in the extra attacker.
Jim, it's a gamble. The empty net could mean another goal, and that would ice it.
Point picks up the puck from Vasilevsky. Heron clotheslines Point. Quick pass up. Watson finds the loose puck. Wrist shot from along the boards. Empty netter. Nothing risked, nothing gained, I guess.
Well, they had to take a chance by pulling the goalie late, and that empty netter sealed the deal in this one.
Larkin takes possession of the puck. Jumped off by Tampa. Brown. Knights has it now. The Hog dumped it in. Gostisper scoops it up. The Hog gets shoved. He grabs the puck. Shoots quickly. Husso closed the door.
What a save off the blocker.
Comper takes control of the puck. Patrick Kane. Nice. Stops the shot. Kane jumps on the loose puck.
Tonight's third star, Tampa Bay number 21, Braden Point. Tonight's second star for Tampa Bay number 51, Austin Watson.
From Detroit, Michigan, this is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Until next time, take care.
Goodbye.